Just to illustrate what I mean by this, I'm going to always return the same thing for every row of my data. In this case, a JavaScript object that has a single key, I_love, and a single value, data visualization. And again, this is just a toy example that will hopefully clarify what's going on in this intermediate function. And if we save our file and refresh our page, remember there's a debugger in our code right before much of the main drawing logic gets called, so we can inspect our data there. We stopped at the debugger, which we put right after our D3 SVG data binding with our data. And let's look at what's actually contained in data. The data has the same number of rows, in this case 836, but if we look at what each one of those is, we have the object that we returned in our intermediate function, in this case an object that has a single key I_love and the single value data visualization. If we use the internal pretty printing function in the Chrome console, the console.table function on our data, we can see our data has a single field, in this case I_love, that for every row has the same value, in this case data visualization. This happened because as we load our World Cup_geo data, for every row we first call this function, and since we always return an object that have a single key I_love and the single value data visualization, which has the effect of making every row exactly identical. But now let's do something a little more useful, and rather than returning a single, somewhat nonsensical data object from our transformation function, let's parse our date.